Before exploring Northern Ontario, let's do some regular maintenance. It's my first time to do the oil change.
Hey, stop!
Oh shit. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to do the expedition to Northern Ontario in the coming next day. So as you know, every Defender owner will become a mechanic. So I learned it step by step. Today I will start with the oil change first. Hey Keith, give me your socket wrench.好驚啊！
唔係驚我，
唔會爛個嗬？
唔會爛嘅，OK。跟住上手指可唔可以？
你確定我係喐嘅？
繼續啱啱個方向。
跟住我幾時要縮手？
你 feel 到螺絲就係鬆晒，好似一下好快咁遞，係啊。Good. Exactly. You do it well. Okay. So let it drain. Yeah.
Let me sleep for a while.
Yeah. You need a boss to climb up higher.
Yeah, I'm salt.
So at this moment, when the oil is draining, we are unplugging the rotor filter housing.
I can't reach.
Okay, when it's coming loose, you can just use your fingertip to turn it. Okay. Get it done. Slowly, yeah. Okay, and the rotary filter, when you lift it up, you don't turn it. Try to.
How can I don't turn it?
Yeah, turn it. Never mind. Okay, just let it drain. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, with your hand out. Okay, good. Because there are always no room for the oil filter, we need a filter plier, and we bought it yesterday. So right now is to unplug the oil filter. Yeah.
I have no way to take it out without flipping it.
So okay, yeah, turn it.
3, 2, 1. Is it open? Wait. Yeah, I have tried my best.
I know it's a stiff job. Okay, so now is the new oil filter. You remember the steps?
Yeah. Hopefully.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's enough. Take some new oil and lubricate the O-ring. Yeah. Because there is a flat rod and no room, you can just use your hand feeling. Is it tight?
Yeah, hand tight you said.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Just leave it here. The next part is the rotary filter. Because the Defender has 2 filters, so we have to do it in every surface. Yeah. Be careful of that O-ring. Yeah, remove the O-ring. Do an easy wipe. Yes. Put it back to the housing cover and lubricate one more time with the housing. Yes. So put it down and try to spin it first. Yeah, it's good enough. Yes. Then housing cover. Slowly, yeah.
Don't break things.
Okay. This is good?
Yeah.
The hole is also aligned?
I think so.
Okay. Right here. Yeah, okay, good enough. Every time an oil change a new copper washer for the drain prop. Yeah, clean it. Okay.
Hey.
Oh.
Ah, yeah.
No, just hold the wrench head. Yeah, right hand.
It's
Yeah,
already tight.
it's already tight. Then use the top ring.
So,
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
Huh?
One more time, slowly.
slowly.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you do the double check?
Of course, I will do it. Okay.
Good job.
Correct.
What's wrong?
No, just checking. The serpentine belt is still good or not. So everything is ready. Right now it's just changing the new oil. Yeah, one hand holding the cone. Yes. Slowly. If you place it like this, it's just pressing the hole.
I shouldn't do that.
Yeah. Tuk. Is it fun?
No,
It's not funny.
it's a bit heavy.
Hey, stop!
Oh shit.
Let's check it.
First wrap it, and the second time. Oh, is it too much?
Yes.
Oh my god. So,
We have
what
to
to do?
drink. Maybe drink a bit.
But if I drink it too much, I have to refill it again.
Yes.
Okay. So, my teacher gonna fix it. He sacrificed his hand. Still too much. Should I double check?
Of course.
Okay.
Okay. Just wait a bit up from the full. Yeah,
Finally.
it's fine.
What's that?
Brake cleaner.
Because there are so much oil, so we have to clean it and tighten the
drain pump again.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Final procedure.
Okay, the easier part.
Okay, everything is very good right now. Yeah, slightly put it down. Yeah, press it. Okay, good.
In the next video, we are having a 5-day vacation to explore the Northern Ontario.
We found a great place to spend our first
Here is
night.
it.
It's never easy to find such a place to stay.
Stay close to our update. See you in the next video.